Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best automatic battery charger in this video? I will show you the top 5 best automatic battery charger to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Smart Car Battery Charger. Specifications. Brand name, HTRC. AC input voltage, 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. Input power with load, max 420 watts. Output voltage, 6 volts, 12 volts, 24 volts. Output current, 6 volts max 10 amperes, 12 volts max 30 amperes, 24 volts max 16 amperes. Connection method, wired connection. Origin, China. Number 4 is Automotive Battery Charger. Specifications. Brand name, EFC. Voltage range, 110 volts to 250 volts. Working efficiency, 98%. Rated power, 400 watts. Connection method, wired connection. Origin, China. As the item number 3 we've selected, full automatic car motorcycle battery charger. Specifications. Brand name, EFC. Material, copper plus ABS. Connection method, wired connection. Voltage, 50 volts AC, 75 volts DC. Item weight, 570 grams. Item height, 4.8 centimeters. Item width, 7.5 centimeters. Item length, 19.5 centimeters. Manufacturer, China. Number 2 is 300W car battery charger. Specifications. Material, metal. Power, 300 watts. Input voltage, 100 volts to 240 volts. Output voltage, 12 volts to 24 volts. Output current, 12 V 15 amperes and 24 V 5 amperes. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Features, good insulation, high efficiency, durable. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Voxer Full Automatic Car Battery Charger. Specifications. Brand name, Voxer. Material, ABS. Input voltage, 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. Rated output, 12 volts 12 amperes, 24 volts 6 amperes. Minimum voltage, 8 V. Battery range, 6 to 200 Ah. Thermal protect, 65 degrees Celsius. Efficiency, approximate, 85%. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. Origin, China.